Hey guys, what's up? This is Tyler with Tarver Academy. If you could subscribe, and then we're gonna jump in and learn some math. All right, let's do it. Okay, so today's example, I'm gonna read it to you, you read it with me, and then let's work this thing together. It says, if g of x equals negative 4x squared minus 3x plus 2, determine what g of negative 2 is, okay? So remember, you wanna show your work when you're doing this, so don't leave anything out. Don't do it in your head and be like, oh, I did it in my head. Work all of this out, okay? So let's take a look. The main thing that we have here is that g is negative 2. That's what they're saying right here. That's what they're wanting us to do. They're wanting us to replace this with this. They're telling us x is equal to negative 2, okay? That's a big deal. There we go. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is everywhere that x is in this equation, I'm gonna replace that x with negative 2. So let's rewrite our entire equation right here. Negative 4, see, I'm just bringing it down. And then now x is gonna be replaced with negative 2. And then I'm gonna put the squared on the outside of that. Now, here's where a lot of people will mess up. Do not put negative, let's see, don't put, oh, I'm gonna do negative 4 times negative 2 squared and put that on my calculator. Don't do that, okay? It would be messing up if you did that. So you want to do parentheses negative 2, because that's what I'm replacing x with. And then I'm going to put my squared, that little guy right there. Okay, now I'm going to bring in this part, negative 3, and my x is replaced with negative 2. Then I'm going to put my plus sign and then just a regular 2. So now it's almost like you can forget this whole equation because we're now looking at this equation. And this has become our new problem. We've broken it down. We've taken the x out. We've put the negative 2 in, okay? And so let's just solve the equation. Now remember your order of operations while you do this. So I'm going to need to do negative 2 squared, okay? So what you're doing when you square something is you're doing something times itself. So what's negative 2 times negative 2? Positive 4. So this has now become positive 4. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus 2. Now I can multiply these two right here. So it'll be negative 16 plus 6 plus 2. So then I can add these two together. It'll be negative 10 plus 2. And then negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. I always like to circle my answer because it shows people where the answer is. Whenever people don't, it's like they want you to forget where the answer is because they're not confident in it. So I would probably put g of negative 2 equals negative 8. Okay, because that's what this equals. This up here equaled negative 8. There you go. You did it. We did it, guys. Look at us. Who would have thought? Not me. Okay, so if you could please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's this one right here. This is Tarver Academy. And if you want more help, I got tarveracademy.com. Hope you guys learned something today. And it's like I always say, never stop learning. Peace.